see his wheels moving. Maybe then. Like above the ground. Look at this, literally off the ground. Oh my god. Shit. It's so hard to like fucking do this. I'm recording. Oh my god, it was that strong. Well, the one was like. That's when the pole started shaking, trees started sliding around, cars started to flip over. 2016 or 2017. I think it was like 2017. I don't know why I think it was. Here goes a whole bunch of leaves. Jeez. It's like a whole bunch of leaves flying everywhere. Is that chair gonna fall down? No, it's not, because it's like to fall down camera. When I'm recording it. So I'm gonna say, hey Bella. It's really windy.
I told Mommy we're going outside. At least it feels fresh air, right?
Bella, are you cold?
No, I'm not cold.
Dude, that chair. The chair right there kept falling down. I feel how it flew. Look below. My skateboard started moving as well when it hit. My skateboard!
Oh, your skateboard.
Shit, it's coming like every direction.
Mom, over there?
It's like a freaking tornado. Go up the stairs. See how windy it is up there when you get up there.
It's kind of windy.
Yeah, but when it starts to get hit. Oh my gosh.
And are you doing videos?
Yes, that's why I'm recording it.
On the queen.
It's a fucking like only day today.
Yeah.
Oh my fucking gosh.
Zipper's going down.
I know that, but wait, it is?
Yeah, right here.
This just so long and kept like pushing my skateboard.
That's fun. I don't know if one of them are gonna go. I hope one of them.
Their hair is just getting pushed.
I know. I can see one of their hairs going when they push.
That chair's not moving no more. I guess though like that strong ass wind like left. It's still getting windy because of a storm yesterday. You could even know by the door shaking. Like it's shaking all the time.
Go down.
No, but leave this.
I'm so itchy. I don't know why it's so itchy. Tell me why it's so itchy. I don't know why it's so itchy.
Oh shit. The little boxing,
Yeah.
the black box, the with all the water.
Yeah.
That's rain from all the rain that was yesterday.
It looks like
That could have been the road if there was no freaking like things that could like make the water go underground. Yeah, the wind's gone now. Finally. Fucking. Because a tornado came. Never mind, it's coming. I can see your fans. Oh, look at the chairs lifting up. Bella, come this way. Come this way, hurry. It's getting really windy, Bella. Shit.
trees are falling.
But you can't put it up because you're bun.
Okay, I can.
No, untie your bun because then your hair's going to be fine. Is it okay if you untie it? Do you know how to untie it?
No.
Why?
Says mommy did. That is really tight.
She does?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, my hair.
Okay, good. Up the blue thing. Holy sh! There goes the chair! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! The chair!
Chair, stop. I know you're afraid.
The chair!
Wait, I heard something squeak.
Oh, that was me. The dang chair! Leave it. Oh, it's going again! Leave it, Meadow. Holy bro, I got pushed.
No, it's not.
Here it comes! The wind!
Okay, there's not getting pushed. Then I put that on it.
No, okay, leave it off because I want to see you get pushed again. Bro, I'm getting pushed. Okay, get down before it hits you, before wind comes. Bro, the chair. The chair. Bro, I'm being pushed, bro. What the fuck? I just got pushed. What?
Fall is coming.
Bello, fall right past. The bed. Oh my god! This chair is like, are you getting pushed by the chair? Oh my god, you need help?
No.
Here, hold my skateboard while I help that. Hold my skateboard, Bella.
Okay.
Well, okay, never mind, you don't need to, because I was going to say hold my skateboard so I could put that up there. Oh my god, Bello, it got so windy. Like, not even joking.
Hey, right here.
Oh my god. That chair went like, ooh, look at that ear. Hey, I lost my skateboard.
Oh my goodness.
You okay?